Today we're going to be wiring up the ECU wires and also the battery cable in the trunk of the car. Alright, so we're looking at this thing going, and I got my bottom panel right there. So I need to get all these cables below the frame, pop that panel in, and then just kind of see what's going on and figure out how I'm going to route some of this stuff. Not sure it'll be self-explanatory or, you know what, but we'll figure it out. So as you saw, the battery cable, the power cable, was like an inch too short. Now it's actually 14 inches too short because that was actually running the battery cable as a straight line. You can see like we start here, it comes, it's literally a straight line all the way to there. And then it was going, I put it on top of the drive shaft and it just went straight up. And it was 2 inches to 4 inches too short. What I want to do though is come here, come under the floor, come wrap around up just like everything else. And so it's really about 14 inches too short. So not happy about that because I got that whole front end all clamped in, all nice and tidy. And you know, I don't know. I don't think Factory 5 is going to be sending me a custom cable. They'll say, go pick one up at the store. Maybe we'll pay for it. So, just like my drive shaft. And I don't know if everybody with a version 2 car had this issue. I'm just getting around to finding that out. But I'll be honest, I'm not on the forums much because I'm just so focused on busting this car out that you know, I post these videos on the forum just so people know it's there and they have a resource. But you know, in the beginning, I used to use it for a few things that really that I needed to troubleshoot. But now that I've kind of created some friends in the community, I could just give them a call and get a quick answer and move on. So So what I'm going to do is now kind of look at the bottom, kind of see where all this stuff's being routed, see what I have to do, and from there, not sure, kind of get the lay of the land and then see if I'm going to put those 2 wires in the next loom, which if I do, I might actually buy one of those tools that will zip right through it really easy. But we'll see. We'll see what I'm going to do here.